Welcome, happy campers. It's Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and I have a question. We have all of these campers here, all these travel trailers. What do you want to see? Leave us a comment below with what you want to see, or if you have any questions, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But let's get to what we're looking at today. 2021 Imagine 3100 RD. Let's take a look at the front cap first. It has these beautiful LED accent lights. Super bright and awesome if you're hanging around the campfire at night. Got little kids hanging around, you can see them a lot better. And also, pretty durable front cap here too. No chips or rocks are gonna hurt you while you're traveling to your campsite. So, looking at the storage, typical for Grand Design, fully finished. And on this side is all of your connections for winterization, your city water, your cable even, and this is a great place to store all the things you need when hanging out with your family by the fire or outside of your camper. But let's take a look at your space over there. On our party space on this travel trailer, we have a big awning with some really awesome LED light strips underneath that match that front cap. Some Bluetooth, or some speakers, I think they are Bluetooth as well, that do have lights in them. Nice big windows, and one good thing about this camper is it only has one slide in the rear on this side, so it keeps your entertainment area pretty open. You don't have to worry about hitting your head on anything, but let's step inside. In the master of this Imagine, we have a really awesome queen size bed. Don't forget the two cubbies on each side of this. It does have USB and regular outlets on each side. I love these little reading lights. They transform from a regular white light to even a blue light, just in case you want to get up in the middle of the night, not hurt your spouse's or partner's eyes. Each side has a wardrobe option with lots of drawers and a hanging space as well. And then all of this storage above for anything that you can imagine. And then some more storage. We have another closet on this side. It does have a motion sensor light inside, another big bar, and more storage space below, of course. They're definitely not lacking in the storage, but let's move to the bathroom. Ooh, walking into the hallway before we get to the bathroom here. Just want to take a note at these really nice solid barnwood doors they use. You don't have any doors coming into your hallway. There's not a lot of scuffling going on. It's just easy and into the bathroom. In our bathroom, there is no lack of storage here. There's more towel storage above the toilet, and even a hanging rack underneath it that they've added in, which is really convenient. Nice big medicine cabinet with a nice mirror on the outside. I love how they offset the sink here so that you have a little bit of counter space on the top as well. And then, as usual, I am 5'11". And I have a lot of space in this. My head's not even anywhere near the skylight, so that's good. A squeegee door to make sure there's no mold or mildew. And it has a detachable stainless steel shower head. Walking into our main living space of this camper, I want to point out a few notable things. So right when you walk in, especially our front door, we have a counter extension here. This is very nice if you want to have somewhere, especially if you're having a party that's sort of indoors, outdoors, you have a nice place for a big trash can that you can pack up right before you guys get to head to bed that night. So, and that does take two hands to put down. And one thing I want to touch on is this dinette here. This table does have 4 chairs, but 2 of these chairs can be folded up and stored either in your passenger storage underneath or even under your bed in your master. And this table does actually pivot with a small dial that you just pull down, and it's perfect for just 2 people. So say you want a little bit more space right when you enter your camper, you can definitely modify this and put away those chairs or have them out when you've got more people to hang out with. Looking at our kitchen, we're going to talk about this sink area. I love how they designate a whole area for your sink, and they do add a little drying rack on top of your kitchen sink as well. All of this storage up here is amazing. Plenty of places for electronics or even extra cups or anything you need to have on the road. I love the countertop storage below. We do have a gas electric fridge here, a 3-burner top stove here with nice LED accents, your normal microwave above, and lots more storage. I'm talking drawers, and these are all solid wood. They don't have any catches. They're very nice quality, and more storage up here. I love the lighting underneath, especially at nighttime. And then this big pantry is also very nice. That is a motion sensor light as well. Just in case you want to keep it on for someone to get a midnight snack, the light won't be on all night. But let's look at our entertainment area. In the entertainment area, this can be where you guys all hang out, watch movies, and it also can be an awesome sleeping space for you and your guests. This sofa does pull out into a trifold sofa. We have our beautiful theater seating right across from our TV, of course, and then we have another trifold sofa on this side. Just a warning, I think when you have them both pulled out, there's a little less leg room here in the middle. So if you're thinking about how that would look entertainment-wise, it's just not going to be enough for a whole lot of people, so it's something good to know. Looking towards our TV is on a swivel. If you want to pull it out, swivel it towards someone. A nice accent lighting under here. And again, storage is not lacking on this Imagine. There's more storage here, more storage on the side, and then under this glass here, we have our entertainment system, so that's your speakers. You can play DVDs on that, and I think that you can also connect it with your phone. So if you're outside hanging out with a family, want to switch the sounds, all you gotta do is get on the app on your phone. Super convenient. Are you ready to relax in this Imagine? Well, stop by Cookeville RV Marine or visit us at cookvillerv.com and give us a call if you have any questions. And don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your relaxing adventure awaits.